What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new iPhone 15 Pro. Now, I actually picked this up at the Apple Store this morning. Now, I did pick up at first the natural, but I ended up settling on the white titanium. Once I saw it in the store, I could not resist the white titanium. They have the blue, they have the black. This is a new titanium design. Has a new action button, Type USB 3, the new A17 Pro chip, you name it, the works. Now, I want to get into it. I wanted to show you this off so that we can enjoy this unboxing together. You might be wondering what color you should get. So I'm gonna help you a little bit by showing you how beautiful this white titanium is. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Let's see if we can see the logo here. Yeah, look at this. Now look at this. Look at this. I mean, this looks like it's from the future. It is actually. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Now, I usually like the bigger phones, but for some reason, I wanted to use something. Wow, this feels really, really light. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. This thing is just a beauty, man. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Let's get that focus on there. I'm sorry. Sometimes the camera likes to bug out on me, so we have to kind of help it a little bit. There we go. But look at this. Look at it. There's the new action button right there. That used to be, if you had a previous iPhone since 2007, you had the regular alert slider, which is like a button or like a switch. Now it's a button that you will be able to either snooze or turn on your notifications, or you could do a flashlight, you could do a shortcut, you could do other apps. There's different things that you can do. This thing's beautiful. Wow, this thing is beautiful. If you guys are ready for the yes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Now, what you get inside the box as we're turning this on, I'm gonna show you now. Turn that on. And there's your Type-C, which is great, because if you have an Android phone, you know how it is when you have your Android friends around or your Apple friends are like, do you have an iPhone cable? Now you don't have to worry about that. You guys can charge on the same cable. Look at the bezels on this thing. Look at this thing. Look at the bezels. The bezels are minimal. This thing is nice, man. I like the size of this. Hey now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and show you what comes inside the box. You get like a braided cable now. It's a little more, little bit of a design. I like this braided type. I don't know if this came on the 14 like this. And then you get your Type-C, obviously. Type-C to Type-C. So you can connect. Now, this is only 2.0, but this does up to 3.0 data transfers. But you're going to have to buy that separately. Apple's the king of buying things separately, as we all know. This thing is just beautiful. I'm telling you, this thing is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my God, this is nice. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so I got everything pretty much, got past all the setup and everything initially, but you do get the screen here because obviously it's got that power button where you can set your silent mode, but it's telling you here, silent mode, you can toggle silent mode on and off in the control center, so that's wiping down from the top. So we're gonna go ahead and continue there. Obviously it tells you have the action button, so you can customize that now. So you can use it for silent mode. You can do it for voice memo. You can record notes to record your voice. Accessibility feature. What else you can do? Magnifier. Shortcut, which is probably what I'm gonna set up. Probably set up some kind of app, maybe, or maybe some kind of action, maybe texting or emailing. Flashlight. That would probably be a pretty good deal there. So if you set that up there, you hold it down, boom, you get your flashlight. hold down again, turns off. So, all right, so if you go into action button in your settings, you can set it for this. So I had the flashlight, so I'm gonna do voice memo, I'm not big on, but let's try camera. So that should do it. So if you hold down, boom, it goes right into the camera. So, and now the camera, it doesn't have the 5x optical or telephoto lens, but it does have 3 times. This also comes in, you know, different. This is the 256 gigabyte version. Comes in a 512, also 1 terabyte. Now the Pro Max only comes in the 256 and 512 and 1 terabyte. You get the 6.1 inch display, 120 hertz of refresh rate, which is needed this day and age in 2023. Always on display, dynamic island. Like I said, the ProMotion technology. Now this has a 48 megapixel main camera, also a 24 megapixel or 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel 2x telephoto. But you do get the 3x optical lens, where the Pro Max gets the 5x optical lens. But I think having the power button as the camera is probably actually a good idea. That way you could always go to your camera, but you could also push your camera. So I don't know, I might set up a shortcut for that power button, or might just leave it to be. And if you want to do your silent button, you could do it here if you want. That's up to you, but you know, I do like the bezels on this. It looks really nice, real clean. This is a really clean looking device. But yeah, I'm gonna try this size to see if I like it. I do like how it's very smooth, but that titanium, man, look at this thing. That is just beautiful. It's very light, very comfortable to hold. I do like that. So, you know, and I love that it has Type-C now, and I have to go crazy looking for an Apple cable. That is just the worst, let me tell you. But hey, drop down in the comments, tell me what you guys think of this color. What color did you get in the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max? Also, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this. I'll be doing some case reviews on this, and also probably the big boy. I'll probably be showing that off later this weekend, but I wanted to kind of show this off because I want to kind of use this first to kind of get a feel, because I've never used the Pro version. Yeah, you don't get all the fancy camera stuff, but you do get most of it, which I'm cool with. This is the 256 version, so it's not the peasant 128, if there's really a 128 peasant version in an iPhone. These phones are expensive. They're very well made. That's gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of here. But I appreciate you guys watching the white titanium. Dang, this thing is nice. I'm sorry. She's a beauty.